Hey guys, what's up? We're the reActors and I'm here with Steve.
Today we're going to be doing the Whisper Challenge.
Basically what the Whisper Challenge is, we're going to be wearing these noise cancelling headphones, and pretty much what we're going to do is one person whispers which the other person can't hear, so it's basically a game of reading lips, and if someone gets one right, they get to shoot the other person with this BB gun. It is.
Damn, man.
It's a real BB.
As you can tell, it obviously works, and it's pretty powerful. I think 300 FPS. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so it looks like I'm going first. Osvaldo's going to mouth some words, and we're going to put those words up on the screen for you. So here we go, round one. I want to die.
No.
I want a something.
No.
I don't know what you're saying. How was your day?
I'll give you 3 more tries.
Alright. How was your day?
This one.
I don't know it. I honestly don't know.
Did you give up?
One more, give me one more.
Alright. What? You're done.
Oh, man. Alright, what was it?
Read that name right there.
How?
Yeah! Yeah! I got him! Wait, can you see that? So I guess it's my turn. I'm scared. This is a death weapon.
Alright. Words on the screen.
What? Leaf blower. Did I get it?
Yep.
That was so stupid! You're getting shot once, you know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so that's 1 shot for you.
Sick. Alright.
Alright, put him on.
Huh? My asshole?
No.
My ass hurts. Let's go!
Wow! Okay.
Alright.
Alright, so we're both getting shot once.
One shot for him.
Jesus.
Okay. Alright.
Alright.
This is, what, round 4? Alright. Alright, guys, this is round 4.
Go again. I like Viagra. I know the second word is Viagra, right? Or the third?
Keep going.
Huh?
I'll give you 4 more tries.
Wait, is one of the words Viagra?
Maybe.
No, yes or no?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I love Viagra.
Nope.
I'm on Viagra.
Nope.
Steve loves Viagra.
Nope. It's I need Viagra. Alright, looks like I'm not getting shot again. Alright, round 5,
Oh, wow.
here we go.
This is round 4.
This is
No,
round
this is
4.
round 2.
Whatever.
We're still in round 2.
okay.
Oh, I got you.
Whatever. Alright,
It's
let's
round
go.
2.
I got
Figure
you.
it out when we edit
Yeah,
it.
okay.
What? Steve's at something? Something about a trampoline. I don't know.
You got 3 more tries.
I know. Alright guys, this is round whatever. We lost count, so we'll figure it out later. Alright, where's on the screen?
What is this? 12-page essay? Show? Is show part of the word?
No.
Oh.
Window. Window's part of the word. Window is part of the word.
See, Will knows what it is.
Window's part of the word, right?
No.
Osvaldo? You saying my name? Is my
No,
name?
I'm not saying your name. You have 3 more.
Again?
Last one.
I have a camel toe.
There we go.
Yes!
There we go.
It's my turn. It's round whatever. You're getting shot twice. I'm getting shot once. Unless he gets this right. I'm fairly confident he's gonna get this one right though.
Right. Huh? Something about you're my something, right?
Nope.
Suck my...
Nope.
I don't know what you're saying, man.
3 more.
Third something. Nope. I don't know.
I slowed it down for him too.
Really, man?
Yeah.
I think I would have got.
Okay, I thought it had something to do with a scrotum, is what I thought.
No, I thought he would get it because he's white and he watches white Disney movies.
All right, I got it.
What the fuck? No, open your mouth. Yeah. Vagina part of it. Is vagina part of it?
Oh my god, we're gonna be here forever.
Is vagina part of it?
No, it's not.
Is the wheels part of it?
Oh.
Do you know what it is? Alright, go again.
Okay.
Real is part of it, right?
Yes.
The real Slim Shady?
Ah!
Yeah! I completely guessed that one!
No.
I completely guessed
That was.
Alright, Steve's getting shot by me 3 times. Steve's getting shot by me 3 times. You gotta make sure this is in the shot here. I gotta aim it. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Fucking missed. Alright.
Alright, do it again.
3, 2,
Aim low.
1.
Oh.
There's one.
Dead on!
Fine.
Dead on! Dead on!
Oh, man.
Alright, get back in position.
Hold on.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
3, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, you're done, you're done.
Yeah! Yeah!
Alright. You ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Dude.
God.
That was perfect.
Got it.
Yeah, exactly.
Steve, that actually really hurt.
Yeah, I did that 3 times, so SMD.
Alright, so here's Steve's bruises. You got one here,
Here's a sample of my pale ass back.
one here. You got, where that one, what the heck? Oh, there's the other one.
Left shoulder blade.
There's the other one, and then the other one right there. That one got really, like, bloody.
Yeah, sick.
Nice. Nice.
Alright guys, so as you can see, somewhere around there.
That actually hurts. Ow.
Yeah, that's where he got his one puny shot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends. Like the video, comment, subscribe. Done. Alright guys, so looks like I'm going.
Is that your spit or is it raining? Please tell me it's raining. I just thought that was raining.
What did you hold on? Don't tell me you just sat right there.
I did. Ow. My bad.
Good.
This thing is loaded.
I guess it's good.